Hello, BWSI class of 2021. I'm here to congratulate you all on an incredible accomplishment. You've finished the program and you've done just an amazing job. You, the class of 2021, have faced a really tough year. You've done school through a pandemic, you've survived, you've persevered, and you took on the additional challenge of participating in BWSI this year. And it took hard work, it took discipline, it took dedication, and you did it, you made it. So congratulations. And you are a class of over 300 strong. And I will tell you that I have never been as impressed by a class in BeaverWorks as this year's class. You're just amazing. So I've had the privilege over the last 4 weeks to moderate your seminars, and I've enjoyed them probably as much as you have. But I thought as we wrap up this program and reflect on the past 4 weeks, I would share with you and remind you of some of the really brilliant advice that we got from some of our speakers. And I hope that you keep this with you and remember these tips as you continue on your academic and then professional journey. So first of all, you learned from Brad Tousley, never to stifle curiosity, always keep learning. And that's so important. It doesn't matter if you're in school, if you're in your first job, or if you're in your 20 years into your career, continue to learn. Then we learned to think about creating the future that you want. You have the power to create your future. And that was such important advice from Vila Star. Think about how you can use science and technology and innovation to make the world the way you want it to be. Then we heard from Cheryl Paradas to build a network of mentors, build your own personal board of directors. These are people that are going to come into your life, hold on to them. They're going to be people who challenge you. They're not always going to tell you what you want to hear, but they're going to really be looking out for you and supporting you throughout your career. That is so important. It continues to be an important part of my career development. Then we heard from Ellie and I with some really scary, but so important advice. When you have options, take the one that's going to scare you a little bit. Reach outside that comfort zone, because that's how you're going to grow and you're going to accomplish things you never thought you could. And then finally, we heard from Miles and Malik George to keep STEM fun. Think about all of the incredible genetics work they're doing, but think about how they're sharing it with the world and making it accessible and understandable to everybody in a very fun way. So congratulations again to all of you. I wish you all the best of luck in your future endeavors. You are the next generation of scientists and engineers, and there are so many exciting opportunities in front of you, and I just can't wait to see all the things you're going to accomplish. Congratulations, BeaverWorks class of 2021.
Congratulations. You are all cool-looking Beaver ballers today. Stay safe and stay in touch.
We're always sad at this point in the event where we've all made new friends and lots of memories that will stay with us for our entire lives. We were able to watch your presentations, and every year we just get more astounded at all the things you can do. And I bet a lot of you came in thinking, I can't do that, and you did. You should make sure you give yourselves a pat on the back. We hope that you're able to make good use of the knowledge you've gained here at BWSI. We aren't saying goodbye. The BWSI staff is wishing you good luck in your future, and remember to stay in touch. Can we bring all the students in? We want to say now this is the end of the program, and you'll be able to find all that you saw today on our YouTube channel. Now we're going to watch our student scroll list, our staff scroll list, and a few other things. Goodbye, good luck, and we'll see you soon.